So when your car is your office, there are a few strategies that can be helpful to make pumping work for you. The first one is you're going to want to invest in a high quality cooler as well as reusable ice packs to keep your milk as cold as possible while it sits in your car all day. Secondly, getting a combination nursing and pumping bra will allow you to stay in the same bra while you're working as well as when you're pumping in your car. Third, think about getting a nursing cover. So that way, while you're pumping in your car, if someone walks by, you are completely covered. 4, consider getting a whole bunch of flanges. So that way you don't have to find a place to wash your pumping pieces, but you just have a new set every time you sit down to pump. And lastly, try to arrive at your destination about 15 minutes early. So that way you can sit in quiet with your music playing, your AC blasting, and you can sit and pump before you have to head in to your next appointment.